Konnichiwa, welcome to How to Japanese series. In this video, you will learn how to use particle ni as a time marker. Japanese is an SOV language, meaning subject comes first and then the object and then the verb. I will eat sushi in Japanese is watashi wa sushi o tabemasu. I will eat sushi at 6 o'clock. We will need the time slot here. That is, watashi wa 6時に sushi o tabemasu. Please note there is a particle after each word. Wa is the subject marker. It appears right after watashi, subject of a sentence. Ni is a time marker. It appears after 6 o'clock. Ni is similar to at in English, so 6時に means at 6 o'clock. This is the particle we will be looking at more closely in this video. O is an object marker. It appears after sushi, which is the object of the sentence. I would eat sushi at 6 o'clock tomorrow. Then we will need to add tomorrow here. That is, 私は明日6時に寿司を食べます. Please note if there are two time words, the bigger time frame will go first and then the smaller time unit follows. After 明日, we can also add no, which means tomorrow's 6 o'clock. However, this no is actually optional. Let's take a look at Hana's daily routine. Hana listens to music at 5 o'clock. In Japanese, it is 花は5時に音楽を聴きます. Hana eats her meal at 6 o'clock. 花は6時にご飯を食べます. However, Hana can be omitted since it's already mentioned in the first sentence. Hana drinks tea at 7. 7時にお茶を飲みます. Hana watches TV at 8. 8時にテレビを見ます. Please note that all of the sentences are using this SOV sentence pattern with the time words appearing right after Hana. We can change all of these sentences here into questions. For example, if you would like to ask if Hana listens to music at 5, all we have to do is add ka in the end of a sentence. So, 花は5時に音楽を聴きますか? means does Hana listen to music at 5? We know Hana eats at 6, but would like to know what she eats. All we have to do is to replace gohan with nani, which means what, and then add ka in the end of a sentence. So, 花は6時に何を食べますか? means what does Hana eat at 6 o'clock? If you would like to know what time Hana drinks tea, we will replace 7時 with nanji, which means what time, and again add ka in the end of a sentence. So the sentence will go like this. 花は何時にお茶を飲みますか? which means what time does Hana drink tea? If you would like to know who watches TV at 8, we would then replace Hana with dare. Please note that we will have to replace wa with ga and then add ka in the end of a sentence. So the sentence will go like this. 誰が8時にテレビを見ますか? which means who watches TV at 8. Again, these sentences are all questions asking what, when, and who, etc. Please note all Japanese sentences are still in the subject, time, object, and verb order. We only put each question word in the right slot without changing the word order at all. In English, however, you do have to put all of the question words in the beginning of a sentence. Let's now listen to the dialogue between Naomi and Taka over the phone. Please pay special attention to the particles used throughout the dialogue and their functions. 今日は何をしますか?
テニスをします。
何時にしますか?
3時にします。ナオミさんは?
私は今日映画を見ます。夜10時に見ます。今日は何をしますか?
テニスをします。
何時にしますか?
3時にします。ナオミさんは?
私は今日映画を見ます。夜10時に見ます。There are many more time words that can be used in conjunction with ni to indicate at that time, on that day, or in that time frame. So what kind of time words can we put here? There are quite a lot. we can put words like 朝、昼 and 夜. So the sentence here says 私は夜に寿司を食べます which means I would eat sushi in the evening. We can also put days of the week in this time slot. They are 日曜日、月曜日、火曜日、水曜日、木曜日、金曜日 and 土曜日. Let's add 日曜日 to the time slot. So the Japanese sentence here says 私は日曜日に寿司を食べます which means I will eat sushi on Sunday. We can also use the word 週末 here. So the sentence here says 私は週末に寿司を食べます which means I will eat sushi on the weekend. In addition, we can use the names of the months to describe what we will do in a certain month or months. So let's move the word 1月 to the time slot. So the sentence here says 私は1月に旅行をします which means I will travel in January. We can also use the year to describe what we will do in a certain year. So let's move the year of 2050 to the time slot. So the sentence here says 私は2050年に旅行します which means I will travel in 2050. As you probably have observed, many time words, big or small, can be used right here before ni. While there are many time words that we can use in front of ni, words like 今日、明日、毎日、毎晩 and いつ cannot be used in front of ni. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. ではまた。